In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a stunning glass effect in Canva. This effect can add a touch of elegance and sophistication to your designs, making them stand out with a modern, sleek look. Let's dive right into the process. To get started, open up your Canva project. If you haven't created one yet, simply log into Canva, click on Create a Design, and choose the dimensions that suit your project's needs. With your blank canvas ready, let's move on to the next step. Now, you want to add an image to your project, which will serve as the background for your glass effect. Click on Uploads from the left-hand menu and either choose from your existing images or click the Upload Media button to bring in a new picture from your device. Once uploaded, drag the image onto your canvas and adjust it to cover the entire background area. With your image in place, it's time to start creating the glass effect. Head up to the upper menu and click on Edit. This will open up a variety of editing options to enhance your image. Here, look for the Tools option. Clicking on this will present you with a range of editing tools that Canva offers to customize your design elements. Next, you'll find the See All link, which reveals more tools and options. Click on it to expand your choices. In this expanded menu, locate the Blur option. This tool is crucial for creating the glass effect, as it allows you to manipulate the clarity and focus of your image, giving it that frosted glass look. Once you've selected Blur, a slider will appear, allowing you to adjust the blur intensity. This is where you can experiment to achieve the desired glass effect. Slide it to the right to increase the blur, giving your image that frosted, glass-like appearance. Remember, the key is to ensure the image is blurred enough to resemble glass, but still retains some of its original features to maintain the context of your design. And there you have it. With these simple steps, you've created a beautiful glass effect in Canva, elevating your design with a modern and stylish touch. Feel free to play around with the blur intensity and other available editing tools to customize your creation further. We hope this tutorial helps you unlock new creative possibilities in your Canva projects. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more design tips and tricks. Happy designing!